Hello students, today we will be learning about the new chapter cell structure and function. At the very onset, let us discuss the discovery of the cell. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in the year 1665. Now let us see what cell is. Cells are the basic structural unit and the building block of all living organisms. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 after observing a piece of cork under a magnifying glass. Since the cells were just like the building blocks, or in today's era we can say the cell looks like the structure of the bricks, so Robert Hooke coined up the term cell. There are some theories regarding the cell. Skeledon and Scavan proposed the cell theory. According to the cell theory, cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life. Type of organisms on the basis of cell: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms are those organisms which are made up of only single cell. Example: amoeba, paramecium. All the basic functions such as digestion, respiration, excretion, etc. in these organisms performed by a single cell. And in multicellular organisms made up of more than one cell are called multicellular organisms. Example: human, cow, rose, etc. All the higher organisms are multicellular organisms, and all the lower organisms are unicellular organisms. Well, in multicellular organisms, the cell show division of labor, as a particular set of cells are involved in performing a specific body functions. Below you can see the shape of cells that has been extracted from the onion peel. Most of the cells have a definite shape. Some cells, such as that in amoeba, have no definite shape. You can see the circular shape of human blood cell, red in color. Now below you can see the muscle cells and the long fibrous nerve cell. Human nerve cells have elongated branch structure. In plant and bacteria, the cell is enclosed in the protective covering called a cell wall, which gives shape and rigidity to the cell. Next one is let us discuss about the size of the cell. The smallest cell is of 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer in bacteria, and the largest cell, as you know, is of the ostrich, that is of 170 mm to 130 mm, which is the egg of an ostrich. Size of the cell has no relation with the size of an organism. Now let us discuss something about the cell structure and function. In multicellular organisms, each organ system is made up of several organs. Organs are further made up of tissues. Tissues are a group of singular cells performing a specific function. Number of the cells organisms made up of only a single cell are called unicellular organisms. For example, amoeba and paramecium, as we had discussed. Single cell in unicellular organisms perform all the basic functions such as digestion, respiration and excretions. Now, type of cells depending upon their occurrence: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. About these prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells we will be learning in our next class. Thank you.